Manage a commercial facility. You know the importance of snow removal to avoid accidents, injuries, lawsuits, but when hiring snow removal services, you must ask about salt usage. The wrong amount or kinds can cause damage to property. Where will snow be piled? Atop an incline? Melting and refreezing equals additional ice removal costs. Scope of work. Want zero tolerance? Prevents any accumulation, or use a trigger. Removal begins at 1 inches, 2 inches, 3 inches accumulation, etc. Staking. Marking curves with fiberglass stakes. Prevent snow plow damage. Timing. Having walkways cleared prior to shift changes. What makes us different? An initial on-site audit of existing damage. Our private meteorology service contact 24/7. We contact you 24 hours before a storm. We have on-site supervision during the snowstorm. We follow up afterwards. We're certified snow professionals. We're one of only 3 in Indiana. Innovative Maintenance Solutions. 317-975-0275. IndyIMS.com.